my lovelies, it's Odette and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Thank you so much for coming in for another video. Thank you for watching and for clicking on this video. I do appreciate it. Of course, I am always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week. So I haven't done one of these videos in a minute because my channel is all about skincare the last few months. And so today, as you can tell from the title, we are going to be talking about my summer wardrobe capsule. And I'm so excited to bring you guys this video today because I know for a fact that you guys are going to love some of these things. Normally for the summertime, I don't go crazy with spending money and buying summer clothes because sometimes you just wear one thing once and then you don't wear it again. Although sometimes I will always recycle for the next season as well. But these are, I would consider, staple pieces in my wardrobe because, of course, summertime is so short-lived, right? So I just want to be able to have some key pieces that will carry me through the summer and also that I can wear for the next summer as well. So we are going to start with footwear. And these beautiful sandals, these are from ALDO. And when I tell you guys the comfort of these sandals, it is amazing. I have some knee issues, so I am always looking for comfort. I'm looking for the heel height, but I'm also looking for the softness in the sole as well. And I love the beautiful gold hardware on these beautiful sandals, again from ALDO. Every time I wear these sandals, I get tons of compliments from people all the time. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the heel, very comfortable. It's wide enough so when you're placing your feet on the ground, you don't have to feel like you're wobbling all over the place. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, I am going to be definitely wearing these sandals until the end of this season. Plus, I can carry these over to next season as well. Because normally, sometimes in the summer, I'm always going for the blacks and the browns. But I thought, you know what? Something classy and white this year for summer. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful from ALDO. Please run to pick those up. And you would have seen these sandals again on my Instagram page. These are from Temu. And ladies and gentlemen, I absolutely adore these beautiful sandals. I mean, it's like a denim blue, absolutely gorgeous. And this is a size 8 because I went down a size because of the elastic. And this elastic is not going to shift. It's not going to move. I wear these sandals all day. No discomfort, nothing like that. And again, I am looking for insoles that are really, really soft. And look at the beautiful kitten heel. And one of the things that I love about this kitten heel is that it's not all the way to the end. It's like in the middle of the sole. So of course, when you step in these beautiful sandals, you are going to have this sense of comfort, again from Temu, not very expensive, and this beautiful thick mesh material here holds your feet so comfortable. Absolutely gorgeous from Temu. And I keep them in the dust bag just to keep them you know, nice and safe so they wouldn't be too dusty. Now, I did show you guys the green ones before, and I just love these colors. Now, listen, when I told you guys I was going to be adding colors to my wardrobe, I was not joking, okay? These are the green to the blue that I just showed you guys. Again, size 8. The straps are absolutely gorgeous. They will stay on your feet. They will not shift. They will not move. I personally prefer kitten heel sandals and shoes because I think for me, again, it's a comfort level and they are absolutely gorgeous and they are from Temu. I'm going to leave them in the description box for you guys. And of course, again, like I said, I leave them in the dust bag to take care of them because of course I need to put these away for next summer and they're not going to get all messed up. They're going to be nice and fresh for next season. And also from Temu, I picked up the yellow as well. This is a beautiful, soft vanilla yellow. Like when you think of a good vanilla ice cream, this is the color you think of. And of course, I've worn this before. This is in the extra large. And it fit really comfortable. You can turn the sleeves up, tuck it in, half tuck again, wear it open, wear it loose, wear it like an oversized shirt, whatever you want. And again, the quality of these shirts are really, really amazing. I mean, look at the beautiful colors. Great for the summertime, great for the fall as well. I will definitely be wearing this shirt for the winter all the way into to next season. Again, the quality is really, really, really pretty. And again, this is from Temu. If I find the links for all of these things from Temu, it's going to be down in the description box for you guys. I mean, some things on Temu are like garbage, but I mean, when you take your time and look around, you would find some really good quality stuff. And also from Temu, it's not a Temu haul, okay? It isn't. Okay. Also from Temu is this beautiful off the shoulder top. This is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful elastic by the arm right here, which helps to keep it comfortable. And of course you do have elastic in the waist, whereby when you put this on, it will be nicely blues on. Beautiful pink and white, great colors for the summer season. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course around the elastic around the shoulders is very, very comfortable, so it's not going to fall off. Gorgeous, love it. It's not very long, not very short. And I wore this in the hottest weather here in Toronto, and I was completely comfortable. Next, I'm going to show you guys some denim jackets. Normally, I would go with a typical blue or washed out denim, but not this time. I went with some color, and this is a beautiful, gorgeous pink denim jacket, and the stretch in this will blow your mind. Two beautiful functional pockets up there. And what I love about this denim jacket is it doesn't go all the way down to your wrist. It's just halfway in the middle of your arm, so at least it's going to keep you nice and cool. You're not going to feel too hot and too restricted. Look at the absolutely gorgeous color. I mean, I have never in my entire life wore this color as a denim jacket before. I mean, the pink is beautiful. It's not too bright, not too bold, just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful pinks, just like this top I just showed you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. You can stand the collar up, whatever you want. When I go in with some jewelry, button this up. Oh my God. I mean, the styling is going to be endless. And of course, I will be definitely wearing this for the fall as well. You can even wear this for the winter. It's not a problem at all. I also picked up the black as well, and here it would be. Of course, you know, black is always a staple in your wardrobe. You need to be able to have something black every once in a while. Again, same style like the pink one, but of course the black, two functioning pockets. It's a size large, and again, the stretch is phenomenal in this jacket. Again, you know, like I said, black is always pretty much a staple in your wardrobe. Beautiful, nice button details right there. And listen, like in an evening out, you just want to throw this over your shoulders, just put a little tank top or maybe like a crop top underneath this, and you are good to go. Absolutely beautiful. And of course, black, I will definitely take this particular one into the fall for sure. However, I also picked up the yellow one, okay? When I saw this yellow jacket, I said to myself, I must have this jacket, must have this jacket. Again, same style, it's just yellow. I have never, ever, I don't remember, I don't think, wore yellow in my entire life. Maybe I can't remember, maybe I do. But all the fashions that I've shown you guys over the years, I don't think I've ever incorporated a yellow before. But I mean, this is rich. This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, if you're dark skinned, this is gonna look absolutely perfect on you. Beautiful. And you know what though? I will be definitely wearing this September, October, November. Absolutely. It's not that kind of yellow where it's gonna make your eyes go like, wow, what the hell is she wearing? It's a beautiful soft yellow. Absolutely gorgeous. Next, I have this gorgeous off-the-shoulder top. If you do live in Canada, this is from Shire. And again, the elastic around the shoulder is really, really pretty. I mean, look at the colors. Again, long sleeve, nice and thin, very, very, very light. You do have some protection underneath right there. The colors in here are really pretty. You do have some pinks, some purples, some yellows, white, oranges. I mean, you can go wild with this. And of course, the stretch is phenomenal as well. And this is in a size medium. It is a size medium. And there we go, because I didn't really want to go for the large, because I figured if I go for the large, it would have fallen off my shoulder too much. But this color is absolutely great. Lightweight, long sleeve to protect your arms and all of that. If you do live in Canada, you can pick this up from Shire. And this was on sale for like, I don't know, maybe just a few dollars. Wasn't expensive at all. So next I have another beautiful print here for you guys. This is from Susie Shire. Again, if you live in Canada, Susie Shire, you're going to find this. It's a beautiful, thin, light shirt, but keeps you cool. And I just wore a black bra underneath this, and I wore this to work, and it was completely fine. You can tuck this in again, half tuck, whatever it is you want to do. And again, if you're that type of person who likes to twist your shirt up like a freaking pretzel, go ahead. I've seen some things on Instagram and TikTok. I'm thinking, is that the way you're supposed to wear that shirt? I don't have the body for that. Okay, I'm gonna stick with the tuck. All right. So this is a lovely, lovely shirt. Good length as well. And if you just want to wear this as an oversized, no problem. This is a size large, and I absolutely love that. Gorgeous. And again, I tell you, I've added some beautiful colors to my wardrobe this summer. Next, I do have this beautiful animal print top from Temu. And of course, this is a turtleneck. And I know you must be saying to yourself, turtleneck in the middle of summer? It was 31 degrees the other day here in Toronto. And I wore this, and I was not uncomfortable because my arms were outside. The turtleneck is very, 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 very light, okay? It's a very, very light top. You can wear this definitely in the fall. You need to put like a white or maybe like a black sweater over this, and then you have the turtleneck on top. You can put a blazer on top, a jacket on top, a collar coat on top of this. You can just wear this. This is a seasonal piece, okay? This is a size medium. And of course, again, lots of stretch and very, very, very light for this time of year. And I will definitely be taking this into the fall winter season as well. Amazing. So I also have this skirt from Temu, and this is a beautiful maxi skirt. This is gonna hug your body so nicely. I mean, seeing this on and seeing this in person is two different things, okay? You do have the 8-button detail right there to give it a little bit of style. It is a long skirt, and it gives you a lovely, lovely, lovely flare to the end. And again, you can go in with one of those sandals that I showed you from Temu. And ladies, stretch, okay? This is a size large, and there would be, the stretch in this is amazing. The zipper is to the side. And again, with one of those shirts with the white sandals, and you are so good to go for the summer. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. So next, I do have this beautiful blue oversized shirt. Oh my God, this fits so pretty. I love when I tuck it up to the front and roll the sleeve up. This is so nice, and you can leave the back out. You can just leave this open, a crop top, tank top. You can wear crop pants with your trainers, a little crossbody bag, and you're ready for dinner with your friends. This is so gorgeous, really, really lovely. I mean, I have all kinds of oversized shirts, but you know, most of them are white. But when I saw this, I thought I must have this. I absolutely must. It's absolutely gorgeous. Nice soft material. You do have two lovely pleatings to the back to give it a little style. I mean, travel with this on holidays, whatever you want to do would be absolutely perfect as well. Love that. Beautiful color. Great if you're dark skin. These are fantastic colors for you guys. And last but not least, I do have this pair of black trousers. And again, you know, you want to be able to have some black staple pieces in your summer wardrobe capsule, okay? Because sometimes, you know, you just have that little bulge, or you want to be able to hide something. Just pull the black out. But the funny thing with this pants is it has the same details like the skirt from Temu. And this is like the 8-button detail to give it a little bit of style. This is from Susie Shire, and this is a size medium. And I'm telling you something, ladies and gentlemen, the stretch that's in this, it is wild. And this is a full leg trousers. And I'm gonna tell you something, seeing this on and seeing this in real life is two different things. It fits absolutely stunning on the body, and the buttons to the front gives it such a beautiful, beautiful detail. I mean, look at that, it's absolutely gorgeous. It fits so beautiful with the blue sandals, or maybe the green sandals, the white sandals from ALDO. My God, you can just put anything you want with this pair of trousers, again, from Susie Shire. And again, I love the wide leg. It is just so beautiful. And I think a wide leg pants always look so sexy on a woman. That's just my thought. Anywho, my loves, this is the end of the video. We are going to leave it here for today. Everything we talk about is going to be down in the description box for you guys. If I find the links for anything, it's going to be there as well. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for coming in, and please come back next week for another video. and have yourself a fab day. Toodles.